My name's Rhys. This is Tanglwyst farm. We're a family dairy farm just outside Bridgend, South Wales. And back in 2005, we started pasteurising and bottling our own milk. There's significant costs involved in doing it, but you are in control of the whole supply chain then. A far more sustainable way of doing things now. We've massively reduced the carbon footprint and the food miles of our product. The big thing for me that we're most proud of is local employment that creates by keeping things locally. And then we're supplying the local schools where our employees' own children go to. It just keeps all the money in the local economy circulating around like it was 100 years ago. Yeah, so the main benefit is doing things our way, in terms of transport at least, isn't it? We've taken, if you think of our total annual production of milk on this farm, that'd be quite a few lorry loads of milk that we've taken off the roads, off the motorways. So we're reducing fuel use, we're reducing emissions, reducing traffic. The sort of the food culture here compared to, say, a country like France, there's a massive difference, isn't there? They seem to value food and provenance and freshness and seasonality a lot more than we do here. And I think it'd be great if we could slowly have a bit of a cultural shift and get a bit more in tune with that. It's coming. So the on-farm renewables we've got here is obviously great for the environment, but it's good business as well. So we've got one big solar installation on the cowshed roof, and we've done a couple of smaller ones, because obviously we are using a lot of electric here. So now we've got a new building up on the farm now. One of the key design criteria, but that wouldn't have been mentioned 15 years ago, is that we've got to orientate this building to give us a south-facing roof for solar panels. And then we've got biomass boiler as well then, which we use for heating then, so heating the farmhouse, the office, and preheating a lot of the warm water then for the milking parlour, for the washing. So our average yields here, 11,500 litres a cow, so we'd be right up there in the top few percent in the UK. They're so efficient, so when you look at, we talk about methane emissions from our cows and stuff, per litre of milk she's producing, she'll be far more efficient than the vast majority of cows anywhere else in the world. And we've got local forage here, that's a big part of her diet as well. So of our milk production on the farm here, about half would be going to commercial customers, so that would be schools, nurseries, care homes, cafes, hotels, restaurants, local ice cream makers, a local patisserie, a good wide range of commercial customers, and the other half of our milk then goes direct to consumers on our doorstep rounds then. And it's been great to see how they really value the sustainability and the freshness that comes with local produce. What we're seeing now is a lot of the food service guys, they're promoting us on their menus. They need to let their customers know that they're using fresh local produce, and the consumers seem to respond really well to it and love it. So we've been going 16 years here now at Tanglwyst, and we feel like we've massively improved the sustainability of our business, and we're more than happy to share our experiences, hopefully give you some tips and you can perhaps learn from some of my mistakes as well.